Hi friends, welcome to My Day My Choice. Today we are talking about deep blue dresses for proud plus-size mothers of the bride. These dresses can help you feel calm, classy, and strong on your daughter's big day. Before we start, I need to tell you that I have placed Amazon links in the video description. They are part of the Amazon affiliate program. If you click and buy, I will earn a small commission, but you will not pay any extra money. Thank you for helping this channel grow while saving your own budget. Let us explore options now. Deep blue is a magic color for many weddings. It looks rich like the night sky but still feels friendly and warm. The shade is dark enough to hide little wrinkles in the cloth, so you look smooth in photos. It also pairs well with almost every flower color, from soft pink roses to bright orange lilies. Because deep blue sits between bold and neutral, it does not fight with the bride's dress or the party gowns. It lets you shine quietly while keeping all eyes on the couple saying their heartfelt vows and creating lovely memories for everyone present. Choosing the right shape makes any dress feel like it was made just for you. First, think about the classic A-line. It fits at the top, then gently opens like the letter A, giving room for hips and making walking easy. Next, try an empire waist. This style sits high under the bust and lets fabric flow over the tummy, which feels light and graceful. If you enjoy showing your curves, pick a fit and flare. It hugs the waist, then flares out at the knees, balancing shoulders and legs. Fabric decides how a dress moves and how comfortable you feel during a long wedding day. Chiffon is soft and airy, so it dances in the wind and keeps you cool when people crowd the dance floor. Stretch crepe has a smooth face and a little give, letting you sit, stand, and hug without feeling squeezed. Lace overlays add gentle patterns and give an elegant touch while hiding problem spots. No matter which fabric you pick, look for a small mix of spandex. The top of your dress can change the whole picture. A V-neck draws the eyes upward and makes the neck look longer, which brings balance to fuller shapes. Off-the-shoulder styles show gentle skin at the collarbone and feel fresh without going too bold. If you prefer arm coverage, consider sheer illusion sleeves. They hide but do not heap thanks to light mesh. Small sparkling beads or a sequin belt can outline the waist and catch soft candlelight. Remember to keep sparkle gentle, because you want to gleam like the moon, not shine brighter than the bride herself on her day. Good extras make a smart outfit even smarter. Try silver, pearl, or crystal earrings. They pop against deep blue like stars in space. Choose a small clutch so your hands stay free for hugs, tissues, and maybe cake. Block heels or dressy flats keep you steady on grass or uneven ground. When shopping online, always check size charts, read reviews from women with bodies like yours, and order early so a local tailor can make tiny fixes. Keep the receipt safe until the dress fits just right. We have walked through color power, shapes, fabrics, details, and smart extras. Now you can choose a deep blue dress that hugs your curves and matches your joy. Remember, your smile is the best style, and the dress is only its helper. Please look in the description box to find safe Amazon links to the gowns and items we talked about. They are affiliate links, which means My Day My Choice earns a tiny commission, but you never pay extra coins. Thank you for spending time with me.